Good morning, you guys. It looks so fucking rough. Let's turn this way because the light is really good. But anyway, so I'm at the dealership right now because, long story short, basically my back bumper is fucked up. And not only that, but I also lost my keys and broke my keys. The remote's not there, so I'm actually at the dealership to get that fixed. So let's go.
The ones you got from last week, the ones in the white tee, take them back to real life. Slide into your DMs, don't work out for me.
So my car is getting fixed right now, and I obviously don't have my car. But I just got dropped off, and I'm currently walking to Cafe Latte so I could study and do some work there. Plus, I really need to edit my vlogs, which I haven't done in a while.
I know you like the days when we go dirty, loving knows that I feel so sweet.
All of the tables are taken. I want to show you guys because it's so pretty.
Just slow it down. You raise your thoughts, let go to a higher ground. Invite the guiding light inside the door. Let yourself be one with the ocean floor. I know gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her. Wanna lay it down, I'll try my heart. Though I know gold is not in her. I know gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her. Wanna lay it down, I'll try my heart. Though I know gold is not in her. Through crystal balls, I don't see no one else. No, I don't see. I know gold is not in her. She's a diamond.
I'm leaving the coffee shop right now. Honestly, I ordered a little too much. So also have some take home with me. But I'm gonna head over to Bread and Chocolate. The reason why I'm migrating is because Cafe Latte doesn't have any outlet. So my laptop died, and obviously I wanted to edit my videos, but I can't because they don't have any outlets. So it's stupid, but let's do this.
Did you love me once? Throw my body down the river. I'll send a prayer for you. Oh Lord.
Oh my god. Everybody inside the building is looking at me like I'm crazy, but like I just want y'all to see the pretty footages out here. Look at the sky. Oh my god, look at that biz glow.
The best of gave you a long time ago. Try to remember my love was slow. Sorry it took me so long to go.
From you, can you come through? Why so fucking must be your cool smells. Look. Ah, fuck. Oh my god. girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, cause I'm bored. We can hit it in the morning. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. You gotta do it over. Go. Go, baby. Go, baby. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. I gotta go.
Hello, you guys. I know every time when I start vlogging, I say this all the time, and I'm so sorry for this lack of recording and vlogging. Oh, let me fix this. Oh, look at this. Oh, love. But I am currently going to Senja Tea Bar right now to gather my life, because my life is a total mess right now. And when I say my life is a total mess, I mean it's a total mess. So today I'm gonna try to gather my life together.